I just shared my screen. Please confirm me. Do you see that? Yes. Just 2 minutes, we'll start. So let's start, sir. I'm going to open my Google Colab. So in this document, the first 3 days we discussed about that machine learning introduction part. Of that link I have kept here in the top only. That notes what are the thing during live session I have written on the notepad. Okay, that's such a that entire notes I kept here. So the next cell onwards completely about the Python. So please follow accordingly. Abhishek, tomorrow no session. Abhishek actually wanted to take, but some sudden engagement. So once machine learning part started, Saturdays and Sundays also I will take. Mostly from Tuesday or Wednesday onwards, we start that machine learning part. Meanwhile, I will finish this Python. So let me connect with the runtime. Is it connected? What was our last discussion yesterday? We worked with the dictionary and set objects. And I gave you some assignment yesterday, only 3 people, 3 or 4 max. Only 4 people responded to me. So if any did not do that assignment, please do it at least today and please submit that. Today we come to transformations and filters. So here the word transformation means some operation on each element of a collection. Each element of a list example. So for this one simple list I am going to take. Look into here. There are 6 elements in this list. What I wanted to do is some operation on each element. So suppose add 100 is my operation. Okay, add 100 to each element. In Python, you can do this in two ways. First, way one, which is a traditional way. I'm preparing one, creating one empty list. Now this list has no elements, zero elements. I'm performing a loop for v in x. X has 6 elements, so that 6 iterations this will happen. So each value is coming into v here. What you wanted to do? I want to add 100 to that v. I will append this expression to the empty list. How to append? Y dot append. Now after completion of this loop, print both x and y. You will see the difference. So I did not run this above cell. That's why x is not initiated. Now it is done. Now check the output. So x values are like this. For each value, we have added 100. So what is the way one style? Before loop, empty list. After that, for loop, for or while loop, whatever it may be. After that, you are appending. You are giving your own expression. That means operation. That operation result, you are appending to the empty list. So final result is like this. But Python has its own exclusive style. Way to already have seen this. Y equal to, in the list, left side expression and right side for loop for v in x. So each value is coming into v. What you wanted to do that v plus 100. So this is simple way. Compare both the things, print x and print y. Now you have these values, right? In this way, in two ways, we can do that one. Next onwards, directly, I proceed with second way. One more textual example I am taking. I'm taking some names. So here I have 5 names. So I want to convert each name into uppercase. So generally, if there is any string, to convert that into uppercase, you have a function, upper. For example, I am saying hello. Hello is a string. That string dot upper, if you say, that will be converted into uppercase. So this expression I am going to use into the transformation. Directly the second way I am doing, new name equal to the expression for loop for the name. V dot upper. Now each name will be converted into uppercase. Look into the new name. Spell mistake for the upper. 1p extra type. So now all names have been converted into uppercase. Similarly, observe this operation. This time my names are like this. So the name has some left side and right side, some white spaces. And some letters are into uppercase, some letters are into lowercase. Only this part, just look into this. I have 3 elements here. My transformation logic should be like this. First letter into uppercase. remaining letters into lowercase. That too, the string has some left side, some spaces, right side, some spaces. I want to cut off them. Okay. Of course, we have predefined functions like capitalize like that. Later, we will see about predefined functions. For example, yes is a string. I have some spaces in the left side. And right side also some spaces are there. If I say s dot strip, the spaces will be cut off. Suppose some characters are in uppercase, some characters are in lowercase. For this stripped data, if I say lower, all names will be converted into lowercase. Okay. So this thing I am keeping into one variable called yes. Now I am going to take first character. S of 0. You can apply index numbers on the string also. But first letter I need it as uppercase. Dot upper function we are applying. Now just check only the FC. Only first character I have separated. That is converted into uppercase. Next, remaining all the characters I want to take. That means second onwards remaining characters. S of 1 colon. Already remaining characters already into lowercase. Now check this one. Just RC. A, B, C. Second onwards all the remaining characters. Now I want to concatenate FC and RC. The result will be FC plus, expression should be FC plus RC. Now first letter uppercase, remaining all into lowercase. So this logic I want to apply on each name. But in our second way of transformation technique, in the place of expression, you can give only single expression, but you cannot give multiple expressions like this. That's why here a technique, whenever you want to apply multiple expressions, okay, you have to create a function and you will call that function in the place of expression. How to create your own function? Def is the keyword. Suppose the function name I am giving first upper. Let's say the string I am passing here as argument, that is yes. For the yes, what are the logic I have kept here? The same logic I am going to keep here. First I am applying strip to cut the white spaces and converting all the things into lowercase. Next, first character. This is S of 0. This one I wanted as uppercase. Next, remaining characters. S of 1 colon. Now, first character ready, remaining characters ready. We need to concatenate. I'm going to return from the function what expression result, finally what expression result you want as outcome of the function. That thing you need to keep into return statement. Return FC plus RC. Now function is ready for it. We need to test this function before apply the transformation. The function name is first upper. First upper of I'm saying something spaces hello. What is that? Some uppercase letters also I will keep it. It's a mixed letters. The finally we are expecting H should be uppercase, remaining all the things to be lowercase. The two spaces should be cut off. Just check this. So our expectation is correct now. Okay. So now look into this name. So not this. Already some mixed cases we have given here. What is that? Name. I did not run this. Now name has 3 elements. So these things I want to convert into first letter upper remaining into lower. A new name equal to. What is the technique? Expression for loop. For n in name. So each name is coming into n. What you wanted to do that n. I am calling the above function. First upper. Now check the output. Something is at first upper. We did not pass the argument. The name value we are passing into that function. Now our expectation is done. First letter upper remaining into lower. In this way, you can do the transformations. Now I will show you conditional transformations. The conditional transformation means if condition is true, some value to be returned. If condition is false, some other value to be returned. Like that. For example, I have some labels here. The labels are like this: yes, no. Yes, no. Generally, in machine learning data, the labels, the target variables for the classification problems, the target variables will be like this. But before training your mathematical models in the machine learning, you need to convert them into numerical labels. Yes should be as 1, no should be as 0. Okay, given data is like this, I want to transform into numerical labels. So first I will show you the way one. Let's say n labels. N labels means numerical labels. Initially empty list for L in labels or for V in labels. In the first iteration, the value of V is yes. If V equal to yes, I am going to append to the n labels the value 1 I am going to append. For example, condition false. If it is false means definitely that is no, then n labels dot append. If it is no, I am appending 0. So in the first iteration 1 will be appended, second iteration 0, third iteration 1, fourth and fifth 0 0 and sixth 1. Now just check this. Print numerical labels. Both labels I will print, just compare the things. Labels and one more thing, n labels. Okay, in the place of s 1, in the place of no, that is 0. Got it? But this is a little lengthy. But Python has its own exclusive style for the conditional transformation. That is, observe this. Numerical labels equal to expression for loop for V in labels. Each label is coming into V. Here I am going to check the condition. The format is like this. Let's say new list equal to true value. If condition false value. So this is the style. So this is just a for syntactical format. I keep it to the comment. Based on this, you tell me. I'm preparing a new list which is num labels. true value. That means if the given my given condition is like this, if condition is v equal to yes. If condition is equal to, if v equal to yes, if the condition is true, what value I am expecting? I am expecting 1. Keep the true value in the left side. Suppose if condition false, give else. If it is else, I want 0. Okay. Now for loop, for where labels. That means before false value, here you have to give else. Okay. Now check the value of the numerical labels. I have 1 0, 1 0 1 again. Exactly same as above, I got it. But in single line, I can finish the statement. Right side for loop, left side if condition. Again for the if condition, left side true value, right side false value. Okay. So this kind of technique is used only for the binary conditions. Binary conditions means you have only 2 options, either true or false. But if I have more than 2 options, this technique is complex. Okay. At the time, how to do? Just observe. All of you clear up to now? The second way, especially these num labels. Please confirm in the chat. I hope yes, right? Yeah. Okay. Now I am taking some people genders. Think that all these are the genders of my students. First one is I mean male, female, male, female. Something wrongly spelled here, which is X and which is Y. Now the transformation is like this. M should be transformed as male. F should be as female. And remaining, other than M and F, it should be as invalid. So this transformation I want to apply. Now I have options, 3 options. In the previous example, I have only 2 options, either 1 or 0, that's it. That's why you can use this technique. Now if it is this one, so what I wanted to transform here, male, here female, male, female, invalid, invalid for the X, invalid for the Y. On that way I want to transform. I have more than 2 options. So in this case, create your own function. Already you know how to create a function. F is the keyword to create a function. I'm going to transform that. My function name is, let's say, toGend. The gender value I will pass it to this as argument. Here, some fixed value. Among these 3 things, I fix some default value, which is invalid. Gender equal to invalid. Now I am checking for the male condition. If G equals to M, gender equals to else if. Else and if combination in Python, you can say elif. Elif G equal to female, then gender equal to female. For example, if first condition false, second condition also false, already you set some default value, which is invalid. That will be taken. Now finally, I am going to return the gender value. So before applying this transformation, let's test it. The function name is toGend here. toGend of small letter m, I mean lowercase. I got perfectly male. And F female. Other than M and F, maybe some X I am giving. It has to say invalid. Okay, everything is fine. But if I pass capital M, it is saying that invalid because we did not check with this one. That means uppercase we did not check. That's why better practice here before applying your logic, convert that G into lower. Even though uppercase value is passed, that will be converted into lower. Okay, finally, the checks that compares with the lower case value. Now I am rerunning this function and check this now. Uppercase also male I got. Uppercase of female I am giving. So exactly female I got. Okay. So this function I will apply on about transformation. Okay. Let's check it. Gender equal to, let's say gen for gender. Expression for loop for G in gender. Each gender value is coming into G. I will pass that G value into the function to gender of G. Now look into this. What's the value here? Gender. Perfect. Because already one variable we have taken as this. What is this? Just let me check up to now. I think we did not run that gender. This cell we did not run. That is not created here. Now that is created. Call the same above function. To gender of G. For G in gender. Now check its output. All M's as male, all F's as female. If there is X, Y, something other than male and female, that is kept as invalid. Right? Similarly, one more transformation. Now let's consider 4 options. I'm taking department number. First employee department 11, next 12, next 13. Again 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 12. Okay. So my task is not like removing duplicates or finding aggregations now. I want to transform like this. Transform department numbers into department names. For example, here 11 is the symbol, is that department number for marketing department. And 12 is HR department. And 13 is finance. And remaining other than 11, 12, 13. I want it as other. Okay. On that way, I want to transform all the department numbers into 4 categories: marketing, HR, finance, and other. Now just see this. So here also I have 4 options. That's why it's a complex logic. I will create a function. Again, 2 ways I will show you. Come with way 1. I'm creating a function to DEPT. The department number I will pass into this one. Let's say D for department number. So I have 4 options here. Among these 4 options, just keep other as default value. So let's say D name equal to other. Now I'm targeting this level. If D equal to 11, then department name is market. If this condition false, else and if I'm checking with the 12. If it is 12, department name is HR. Again, if it is also false, I'm checking with the 13. Then department name equal to finance. Suppose first condition, second condition, third condition, all conditions got false. Already you fixed some default value here, that is other. Finally, I am going to return department. Now function ready, just test it first. The function is 2DEPT of. I'm passing 11. So perfectly I got marketing. Okay, let's check all the things within a single line. So print of 2DEPT of 11, 2DEPT of 12, and 2DEPT of 13. And here some other I am giving 2DEPT of some 20. For the 11 I should get marketing, for 12 HR, 13 finance. Other than this one, 20 is not 11, not 12, not 13, so that I got other. So function is working fine. Now I am going to apply on the department number. So these are the department number values. We did not run again. I'm running this cell. Now department number is ready. Look into the values again. I'm going to apply my above transformation. Let's say D name for department name. Expression for D in DM. In the place of expression above function I am calling. The above function is to DEPT of D. Now check this. Marketing, HR, finance. Wherever I got 14 and 15, I got it as other. Just compare with the GP list of zip of DNO comma DNAM. Try to map perfectly mapped or not. So 11 marketing, 12 HR, 13 finance, perfect. And remaining things 14 for 14, 15 we got other. So the above is wave 1. The problem with wave 1 is, observe here, for everything here you have written nested ifs. Suppose if there are 10 departments or 100 departments, too lengthy of the lines you need to write. Okay, it will become more complex. Generally in C, C++ or Java, JavaScript, in such kind of languages, for this kind of problem, you have switch case statement. Okay, but unfortunately in Python, we don't have switch case statement. But even though not a problem, we have a powerful weapon, that is dictionary. Okay, by taking of help of dictionary, you can give effect of switch case kind of statement kind of effect. Okay, so let's check with this. The second way I will show you. The way to
Recording in progress.
something is check. Anyone? Any issue? Okay. 1 minute. Yes, because you can give default value in else also. Instead of giving else directly before applying the condition only, we have fixed that one. Okay. Come back to here. The way to. One more time, I am creating a function, but a new function. Let's say already 2D function we have. Let's say this function name is 2D name. I'm passing department number into this one. As a beginning step only here, I will create a dictionary. Let's say D info for department info. Majorly, I am targeting 3 departments. That's why 11. 11 is marketing. 11 as key, marketing as value here. Similarly, 12 as key, HR is value. 13 is key, finance is value. So what are all my target departments I kept into a dictionary. Suppose in this dictionary, the given department available or not, I am going to check. If D info. This is one way to check. Another way, if D info dot get of D equals to none. If D is equals to none means that is not available. If not available, then my D name is equal to other. If it is not available. If available, I need to get the value. D name equal to D info of D. If I pass department number into the dictionary, I will get, suppose if I pass 11, I will get marketing. If I pass 12, I will get HR. If I pass 13, I will get finance, like that. If the particular department is not available, if the condition, first condition true means the department is not available in the dictionary, so that I will get other. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether you have 100 departments or 200 departments. Okay, now finally you are returning. Return. This is second way of coding. Now check this. 2D name of level. Definitely I will get marketing. 2D name of 13, I will get finance. 2D name of some 15. This is not available in the given dictionary. So that I will get other. Okay, so way 2 is very simple work here. Understood. So, Mr. What is your name? Prahlad. You are asking me explain the else part. For example, in the first iteration, department value is 11, sir. All of you observe. Condition true or not, you tell me. Before that condition, already there is a dictionary. Dictionary has 3 pairs, 11, 12, 13. 11 available in the dictionary or not? Please confirm me, Prahlad. I want to get your answer from you. That is available. So that because of availability, condition true or false? No, false, man. If the department not available, non indicates not available. Okay, 11 is available, so that condition false, right? Because of condition false, you will come to else part. In else part, what you are doing? To that dictionary, you are passing 11. If 11 passed, what you will get? Marketing. The marketing stored in the variable D name. Finally, the marketing value you are written. For example, in the next iteration, 12 you are passing. 12 also available, so that condition false. So that what will be written here? What is the value of D name? D info of 12 means HR. The HR value will be written. For example, 17 I am passing, 17 not available in the dictionary. This condition is true now. So that what you will get? You will get other. Okay. So this function we are going to call on column list. Let's check this. D name equal to expression left side for loop for D in DL. In the place of expression, I am calling above function to D name. D name of D. Now check this perfect. 11 marketing, 12 HR, 13 finance, and 14, 15 as other. Okay. So in this way, you can do the two ways. One more last transformation. Let's see. This time I'm going to take transform salaries into, I'm taking salaries first. Let me take it. These are the salaries of my employees. The last. Totally here 8 elements. Transform salaries into grades. So based on the salary ranges, I need to decide the grades. For example, salary between 1 lakh to 1 lakh and above, not between 1 lakh or above. That is greater than or equals to. If it is that grade A, if salary is greater than or equal to 75,000, and less than, directly I will apply this, and it is less than or equals to 1 lakh, then that is grade B. Same thing, salary greater than or equal to 50,000. Not less than or equal to less than, because greater than or equal to already that is kept into A. That's why less than, below to the 1 lakh. Here, greater than or equal to 50 and less than 75. Then grade is C. So below everything which is less than to 50,000. Salary less than 50,000. Then the grade should be D. On that way, I want to transform my each employee into grades. I want to categorize into 4 grades: A grade, B grade, C grade, D grade. Same usual technique. Fix any value as a default value. Of course, last one is below 50. That's why I'm fixing D as a default grade. Okay. First, I am running this cell. Let's create a function for this. Define. The function is to grade. I am passing salary value to this. Fixing a default grade here, grade equal to D. Then I will target only A, B, C in the same order. What is the condition for the A grade? If salary greater than or equals to 1 lakh, then my grade equal to A. For example, above condition false, else, and then if salary greater than or equal to 75,000, at the same time, that should be less than 1 lakh. But no need to give this less than 1 lakh condition. What is the reason? If first condition falls, then only you are coming to the second condition. First condition false means what? Already value is less than to 1 lakh, right? Okay. That's why here in the second step, I am not checking whether it is less than 1 lakh or not. If it is greater than or equal to 75, then grade equals to B. Still else, if salary greater than or equal to 50, definitely that is less than to 75. Then grade equals to a C. Suppose first, second, third, all conditions got false. Already default value is there, which is D. Now finally, I am returning this grade. Here dictionary will not help me, sir. Okay, this is not like for a fixed key, fixed label, it's not like that. So in this example, you are working with ranges, range of values. So dictionary cannot help you. Okay, let's test this function first. To grade of, first I am giving 10,000. 10,000 means what is the grade expected? D grade. Print of some 55,000. What is expected? C grade. So not print of, to grade of. To grade of. So already print we applied here. Just I am giving expressions only. To grade of 80,000. This is C grade. Sorry, B grade. To grade of 1 lakh. Now the grades expected a D grade, C grade, B grade, A grade. Just check this. It's perfect. Okay. Now look into this. Salaries again. These are my salaries. I want to transform each salary into the grades. Grade equal to left side expression for loop for yes in sal. I will pass that as into the function. To grade of yes. Now grade. Okay. Just compare with original value and grade value. Just list off, zip off, salary comma grade. Got it? So 10,000 D, 20,000 D, 60,000 C, 90,000 B, 95 also B. Remaining 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50 as A grades. Perfect. In this way, you can perform conditional transformations. Let's try to keep all these different transformations in one single transformation. For example, my data is like this. Let's take salaries. How many salaries are here? 8 salaries. I'm taking like this. Name equal to, that is name. Some rough names I'm giving. Totally here, how many? 4, 6. Other 2 pending. Total 8 elements. Yes. I'm taking genders also. Think that first is male, second is female, male again. female. One more male. Up to now, 4 males, female. Total 8 values here. 5 males, 3 females. What is the other variable? We have taken department number. So for the gender equal to department number. Suppose first employee 11, next is 12, next 13, next 14, 15, 11 again, 12. Total 8 covered. Next salary is already we have taken this salary. Once again, I am keeping here. This is complete thing here. Think that these are the 8 people. For 8 people, we are maintaining 4 attributes: name, gender, department number, and salary. I want to make them as a single list of tuple. Observe this info equal to list of zip of first name, second gender, next department number, next salary. Now, what is data type of info? Info is a list. Under list, each element is a tuple. Info is a list. Under that first element I am taking, which is 0, that is a tuple. Okay. So just check the value of the info now. So each element is a tuple now. This entire thing is first employee. First employee name is A. He is male. 11. Department 11. Salary is 10,000. Got it? So one-to-one mapping has happened with help of chip statement. Already we did many examples on the chip. Now my transformation logic is like this. Input is 4 fields. Output should be 9 fields. Okay. Below transformations I want. Number 1 on name. Here first upper I want to apply. That is first letter uppercase, second letter, remaining letter on letters lowercase. If it is number 2, I'm going to talk about gender. On the gender, I will apply 2 gender transformation. Already we created functions in previous examples, today only. Next, department number. Department number I want to transform into department name. So 2 dname function I will call. Next, salary. Based on the salary, I want to create a tax, HRA, net salary. So for this, we don't have functions. Suppose the salary tax is 10%, I want to apply. HRA should be 20%. And net salary expression, the salary minus tax plus HRA. So these things, I need to create new fields. Up to now, how many fields? 4, 5, 6, 7 fields. This is the 5th field. This is 6th field. This is 7th field. Next, number 8. Department number. I want to transform into department name. For this already I have, already department number I have taken the salaries. Salaries I want to transform into grade. So for this we have a function already created to grade. So all these things I will apply on a single function. Let's do this now as climax part of today. Sir, in the list, each element is a tuple, remember. Each element is a tuple. And define, my function name is transform. Let's say input is tuple. This entire tuple I will pass as input to this function. Okay, tuple. Tuple has 4 elements. I'm going to take out name. What is the name positions are in the tuple? First one. First one means index number 0. But for this, I will call first tuple function. Already we created today. Okay. So now name is ready for you. Next, I want to work with gender. Gender is equal to, that is second one. W of 1 is the index. For this, toGen function I am calling. Okay. Now gender transformation is also ready. It's not a W, it's a T. Because the argument here we are passing is T into the T. T of 0, T of 1. Come to the next department number. Department number to dname. How to get the department number? Department number is third one. Third one means T of 2. Next salary. First salary independently I am separating. T of 3. I don't apply any function on this. Now I am going to calculate tax. Tax 10% I want to apply. That's why salary into 0.1. HRA 20% into 0.2. Next net salary. Salary plus HRA minus tax. Next I want to find out grade. For this already we have function to grade. All these functions we have already created before applying this high level transformation. So grade equal to 2 grade of your salary. Now all required things are ready, but I cannot return multiple values. That's why I keep all the above fields into one tuple. So first I want name, next I want gender, next I want salary. Okay, department number. After that department name I want. Okay, let's separate them. First department number independently I am keeping, which is T of 2. After that a department name field I will create to dname. To dname of department number. After department name DNO, then department name, salary, tax, HRA, net salary, then finally totally how many fields? My input has only 4 fields, but here now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means old fields are 4. Newly you have created 5 new fields. Okay. Now finally I am going to return this result. So here we did say gender, here we said gender. I am writing conflict. Now that is clear. Now function is ready for. Let's test one single value. Info is a list of tuples. I am taking only the first one. Only first tuple I am taking. For this first tuple I am applying transform function just for testing. Transform of info of 0. What is the spelling we have given here? Trans, here yes missed. I am rerunning this. Now check this. Name converted into uppercase. That to first letter upper, remaining. There are remaining characters, those are into lower. Male, MS male. Then department number. 11 means marketing. Salary 10,000, tax is 1,000, HRA 2,000, net salary 11,000. Finally, it belongs to grade D. So transformation perfectly worked out. Let's apply this on each element. Now, EMP transformed equal to expression for load for T in info. Here each value is a tuple. The tuple we are passing into the transform function. Transform of T. Now check this. EMP transform. Check the output, all of you. Perfectly done. Now, whatever the result I got it, I need to write this result into some storage. That means I mean into file. Okay. How to work with the files in the next session we will see. How to read data from a file, how to perform the transformation, how to write our results into other file or into the same existed file. Those techniques we will be working with on the Monday session. I hope all of you understood the transformations made. Currently, because this option is not available. This option is not available to take whole copy of the collab. Cell by cell, you need to copy. Or also try to apply Control A. Is it working or not? We will see. Control A within the limits of this cell. Okay. So please confirm me, all of you. Did you understand today's transformations? Yeah. Okay. So more of learning we do on Monday session. So today is there is a holiday today or tomorrow definitely holiday. So if you find any free time, so please finish all the practice. I keep this as 8. I share you this. Same document, on the same document I have typed. Just so mostly Monday or Tuesday we will be with Python. Then mostly Wednesday onwards we will be coming into machine learning. Once we step into the machine learning, automatically we will be learning about NumPy and Pandas while working with machine learning. Okay. Please check in Zoom chat. I'm going to copy the link. It's not copied. Wait. If anybody missed sessions, okay, already Coursevita Team has uploaded all the recorded sessions into YouTube channel. So please go through that and watch them. Okay, here Annapurna has posted a feedback form. Please fill that feedback form. So before I leave, please confirm me, sir. Please confirm me, or you received my document today. I posted. It's opened or not? Please click on that link and confirm. Otherwise, I will reopen. Okay, sir, all of you. Happy weekend. Let's meet on Monday. Thank you very much.